Right. Our next topic is project quality management. What is quality management? Quality is the degree to which the project fulfills requirements. Quality management includes creating and following policies and procedures in order to ensure that a project meets the defined needs it was intended to meet. That is quality management. That is conformance to the requirement. The product has to meet the conformance. That is, the product must satisfy its customer. And again, here I am reminding you, this is the URL where you can see all the articles related to all the 10 project management knowledge areas based on the PMBOK 5th edition. Don't worry, most of the tools and techniques are same, and in the PMBOK 6th edition they have added more tools. If you go through these articles, you will have a clear idea about the project management knowledge areas. Now let us go to our processes. There are 3 processes. First process is plan quality management. Second one is manage quality, and third one is control quality. Let us start from the first, plan quality management. The inputs: project charter, project management plan. As I told you earlier, project management plan developed in the project integration knowledge area comprises all the other plans developed in other knowledge areas. That's why here project management plan, project documents, enterprise environmental factors, and organizational processes. Tools and techniques: expert judgment, subject matter experts, help of subject matter experts, you can design quality management plan. Data gathering, data analysis, decision making, data representation through charts, graphical representation, test and inspection planning, and meetings. All these things are self-explanatory. We have discussed it earlier. Then outputs: quality management plan, which is the plan explain the rest of the processes in this quality management knowledge area. Then quality metrics is the quality metrics contains all the particulars regarding the conformance, stakeholders, and other parameters, etc. Project management plan updates, project document updates. So we have prepared the plan. Output is quality management plan, quality metrics. These are the project documents, other documents. Then project management plan gets updated. Second process is manage quality. Let us see the inputs: project management plan, project documents, organizational processes. Again, tools and techniques: data gathering from all the available places, data analysis to prepare quality reports, decision making, data representation, graphical or charts, whatever it is. Then audits, internal audit as well as third party audit, external audit. To verify that all processes are in place. Then design for X, problem solving methods. There are different problem solving methods. If applicable, you have to use. Quality improvement methods. So anything, whatever you think of, you can add here. Quality improvement methods. And your innovation also can be incorporated here. Outputs, quality reports, test and evaluation documents. That is quality, internal quality department has to perform the quality control test and their evaluation has to be documented. In the quality inspection, in the QC check, if any problem find, change requests will be raised. Then necessary changes will be done through the integrated change control system discussed in the project integration knowledge area. So project management plan gets updated, project documents gets updated. Last process in this control quality. Here we are doing, the company is doing, taking all the measures to meet the conformance of the requirement. Now, in case if anything goes out of control, the project team and project manager has to take control on it and bring back to its normal track. For that, quality control quality process is performed. What are the inputs? Project management plan, project documents, approved change request. Change requests raised from here has to get approval. That's why this is the approved change request. Then deliverables, work performance data, enterprise environmental factor, or organization. All these are familiar things. Tools and techniques, data gathering, gather data from all the resources, and analysis, inspection, checking. Inspection is done by the quality control team as well as the customers. That's called validation. We had discussed it in earlier chapter. Testing or product evaluation, data representation. After testing, this details has to be represented in an understanding manner. Then meetings, all these things are used here to get the outputs like quality control measures. What are the quality control measures we have to take to bring back the quality? Verified deliverables. This verification is done by the quality control team internally. Work performance information is recorded. In case of any changes, change request again, it has to be carried out through project integration change control system. Then project management plan updates, project documents gets updated. These are the three processes in project quality management. Here there is a point. There is a small difference between quality and grade. Quality, that is conformance to the requirement. Suppose let us consider two variants of cars, Benz and Toyota. Toyota and Benz, if they meet the requirement offered by them to the customers, both of these cars have quality. Whereas in grade, Benz is costlier, Benz has more features, whereas Toyota doesn't have that much. Small variant of Toyota doesn't have that. So that the grade of Benz is high, Toyota is less. That is the difference between quality and grade. Then other things, I am again telling, all of you can go through my articles mentioned in the PM World, published in the PM World, and you can read it, can have a very good understanding about this quality management system. Please go through this article, this URL. For each and every knowledge area you will find my article on it. Clearly explained, all inputs, then tools and techniques and outputs. Please go through that. That's all about quality management system. Thank you.